So I got 3 mood mystery fabric boxes, and I want to show you how not good they are, I guess. So let's open it up. I have this one right here. Let's open this one up first. I'm hoping they're not good, but the first one I got was really bad. It looks better. Okay. So we got this one. It's like a matte suede. This is suede. Cheetah print. I like that. We have taffeta in purple, metallic-esque looking, iridescent, reflective. Ooh, I really like this. I'm gonna make a dress with this if I have enough. But it is, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you. This is really pretty, and it drapes well. It's not too thick. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so I guess they're good because I keep saying I like the fabric. Okay, so there's this. Maybe because I bought 3 boxes, they're like, oh, she must be making a video. Yes. So this is pink. It's pretty. I like it. Okay. I like this one. This is pretty. I always make do with, small cuts. I combine things. I plan it out, so I don't mind like weird cut things because I don't make ball gowns. But if I did, I would combine stuff together. Let's see if it looks different on the inside. Yes, it is. This beautiful gold. I'm going to make, let me show you what I'm going to make with it. I just recently made this tank top. I have to finish it, but let me show you it up close. Look how pretty it is. It's giving like Dior and stuff, so I think that would look pretty as this in that fabric. So I'm gonna do that. Also, side note, I just made this gorgeous halter elastic back dress. Super cute. Is my sewing machine on? Hold on. Okay, my sewing machine's on. I just got done making that. Let's see if this, yeah, it's a little bit different on the inside. Ooh, this would be a great slip dress. I like this one. Ooh, they didn't come to play because that other one, they had me messed up. And anyways, okay, they didn't come to play, period. Let's see. Okay, this is like making basketball shorts. It has that little bit of netting, like school basketball uniform short type of stuff. Oh, this is pretty. I have a lot of this already, but you can never have enough. So, and black as well. I like it. I'm not good with fabric names, so obviously I'm gonna say the fabric name. But this is Minky, polka dot Minky. I know that, and it's soft. It's pink. I guess I'll figure it out. Make a move. Okay. I don't hate it because I can still do something with it. Now, professionals, they'd be like, oh, what's that? I don't know, under gown dress. But I can still make it. Be different. There's 2 in here. because I make too many crazy comments. So no one's really gonna see this video. Except you who's watching it. Thank you for watching. Okay. Okay. Maybe because they knew that first box they sent me, it was playing games, so oh my gosh, what if it's prettier on the inside? No, it's the same, but I like it. I can make a dress with this, I can make a bag, I can make anything with fabric, you know what I'm saying? I love this. I love stripe and plaid, and I have a fabric addiction, so I just like fabric. This is like cotton, high quality cotton, no stretch. That. This is nice. Let's see. It might be suede in the inside. No, it's like thin canvas. It's like a cotton thin canvas. It's not duck cat. More school basketball team, soccer, knit stuff, jersey, whatever. Make those jerseys. I guess they think I have a teenage son. I'm just kidding. I like this. Make a bag or jeans, actually. I like that. They was really trying to get rid of this. They gave me some more. They said, look, she got another box. Let's give her the rest of it. Okay. I'm not mad at you. This is different. It's like, you know, those like sweaters. It's not bad. Hold on. Third box. It was redeeming themselves. I see. So this is like super soft. It's like mildly plushy, and it's, I don't know what, some China like products, like, because I buy beads from China, and it's not me being rude. Okay, anyways, some of the chemicals. I like that. I like it. Ooh. Just some nice jersey knit. I love making dresses. I love making shirts. So I'm definitely gonna do that. Oh, this is nice. It's like a woven jersey knit. Like it's a tighter knit than this one. You know, and heavier. That's what I'm talking about. This is what they should have sent me before, and I wouldn't have been talking shit. Because this is so nice. I love it. I like that one. You guys see that pink? They was trying to get rid of that. That and the black mesh. This is nice. I don't know the name, but I really like it. I really like it. It's like the Indian or even the Thai type of traditional clothing things. Oh my god, the video's gonna run out. Pretty. I have only a few seconds. Okay, this is last one. It's I can't explain it. It's super thick. It's stiff.